you have it, guys. You know how to make the viral TikTok coffee, DALGONA coffee, or as some people call it, whipped coffee. So I just showed you two different ways to do it. So for keto, you can use the non-sugar version, and if you're not really worried about keto or carbs, you can use regular sugar. As you can see, both of them foam up really good. However, the one with the real sugar did have a more creamier texture, and the foam actually lasted a little longer. When you're worried about carbs and calories, you know, just drink the coffee fast before the foam goes away. But honestly, both of them taste really, really good. As you can see, 3 ingredients, you whip it, and it comes out perfect. Now you can do this with the hand mixer. You can do this with by hand with just a whisk. But if you have a hand mixer, it definitely makes it go by a lot faster. The first time I did it by hand, and it took me literally 20 minutes to get it to foam. So if you have a hand mixer, definitely put it to use. Guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. I love doing these keto recipes videos for you guys, so let me know if you guys want more, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.